Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tony. This is LCSign, focused on manufacturing professional advertising signs and sell well around the world. Today we have prepared 3 products to introduce to you. Grow your business and enhance your brand presence. Remember to like and subscribe us to unlock more exciting content later. The first one is the light boxes. It's very light and practical. Posters can be replaced as well. The price-performance ratio is very high and is very suitable for use in shopping malls and stores to attract your consumers. The second one is the neon sign. Really eye-catching, it is, isn't it? Taco time. It has a very strong capability for use stores and home decoration. The last one is the LED infinity mirror with a unique design. You can see infinity effects for this product from different angles. Easy to install with just 2 screws on the wall and no installation costs at all. Everyone who wants their store and brand to stand out, just choose this one without any hesitation. The product introduced today can be found on our official link. You can also customize them according to your actual needs. It is recommended that you visit our official website, where there is a wide range of products to choose from to meet various occasions and needs. LCSign is a professional advertising sign manufacturer with over 13 years of experiences. We are your best choice. If you have any question, please contact us for more. Remember to follow us. Thank you for your watching and see you guys next time.